Hey guys, it's me Valentina. Today I'm going to be making slime and have all the ingredients. Now let's get started. The ingredients you need to use are shaving cream, glue, glitter, liquid detergent, food coloring in a bowl and a spoon. The glitter and the food coloring is before. So let's get started. First, I'm going to use glue. Open the glue, I'm going to pour it in the bowl. And if you guys know, I'm making slime. It sounds like you're farting. I just got a little glue because I don't really have that much stuff. Oh, that's really so much glue. Look at all these bubbles. You just can pop them. So, there's some more. Okay. I've been watching people make slime, so I just wanted to make slime every day. Because I really want to make slime by myself. With shaving cream. If you guys smell it, so it smells good. Okay, let's see. I got the girl shaving cream. My mom's behind the camera. So. Oh, it's pink. I thought it was white. So the ingredients I already used, it's gonna go right here. The liquid detergent. I think I used all of it. Yeah, used all of it. Okay. I'm just using a bowl so I won't use that big one. Now the accessories. I use this one. You don't need that much food coloring because you just need a drop or two. So, okay. 1, 2. If you want more, you add as you go. Now I use 3 because my slime is gonna be all. Now I use pink later. Now I opened it, so let's put a little bit. I'm just using a little bit. Keep on going. And put it everywhere. Okay, that's a lot. Now start mixing. Wait, I should use a little more of this. I just got 3 dots. Let's mix. Okay, it's red. I think it's gonna turn pink. Yeah, it's gonna turn pink. Oh my god, it's turning pink. It's like what is it called? Pancakes? It was like pancakes. Isn't it? I just getting more better because I put more shaving cream. I'm just gonna put a little more better because it's getting started. Don't you see? I think it's gonna be sticky slime. Do you think I should pour more glue? I think I should. Okay. I think that's all. Okay, so let's mix it. It's turning into slime. It's turning into slime, actually. I didn't even know I could make slime. It's getting all over my hand. Oh, it's getting all over my hands. You guys know, I didn't make slime before, so it's my first time making slime. But I have like small slimes. I just want to make a big slime because I never made a big slime before. Keep mixing until it turns to slime. We're gonna put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. We'll be right back. Guys, my slime is all done. Me and my cousins are gonna play with it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and comment and share. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.
Start again.
Wait, what? Before. So let's get started.
And then you say,
I'm not making slime into.
It's okay. Go.
Today I'm making slime.